Hey guys, it's Dr. Jessie at Power Girl Fitness and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're really trying to shake things up in our salad game by making my Mediterranean Caesar salad. So this is not your classic Caesar salad. We're really pulling from those Mediterranean roots to bring additional flavor and added nutrients to this one. So let's get into it. Start by cooking our bacon in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Let's prepare our homemade Greek vinaigrette. Adding half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, quarter cup of white wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt. And whisk that together. I've removed my bacon from the oven and we're just going to be patting this dry to absorb all that excess grease before we cut our bacon. These are all of the ingredients that you're going to need for today's recipe. So we of course have our Greek vinaigrette, which we've just finished preparing. Then I have a quarter cup of Caesar dressing. You can do my homemade recipe or get store-bought, whatever you prefer. Then I have 1 cup of bacon. I have 2 bell peppers. I have 1 cucumber, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes. We're going to be slicing half of a red onion. And then I have a quarter cup of green and black olives, which I've already sliced up. We have 4 chicken breasts, which I'm going to be seasoning with a kebab spice blend. So go ahead and grab all of those ingredients and let's go. Forgot to mention, of course, we are also using 1 head of romaine lettuce. Time to wash and slice our veggies. All right, as per usual, let's go ahead and stack these into their little columns and slice in half. Onto our cherry tomatoes, just slicing these into quarters. Some extra virgin olive oil, all of our spice blend, and we're just doing this until our chicken is fully coated. There we go. Bringing a pan to medium-high heat, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Once your pan is hot, we can add in our chicken. Just cooking our chicken for about 6 to 8 minutes until it's no longer pink and fully cooked through. I've just added another sprinkle of our spice blend to make sure that all of our chicken is evenly coated. It's been about 6 minutes. I'm happy with how my chicken is cooked, so I'm going to remove this from the heat. Time to assemble our bowl. So let's start by adding in our chicken, our tomato, red onion, bacon, green pepper, cucumbers, olives, Caesar dressing, and our homemade Greek vinaigrette. There you have it. Our Mediterranean Caesar salad is done and you're ready to enjoy. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Make sure to give this one a try and we'll see you next time.